Workshop, a prestigious, intensive half-day course combining focused theory with hands-on training. Led by national experts from EFRE and represented by Dr. Elizabeth Ginsberg, immediate past president of ASRM. Participants will practice different embryo transfer techniques on high-quality simulators under real-time ultrasound guidance. Difficult case scenarios will be discussed and demonstrated through video sessions. Stay tuned and don't miss this opportunity. Wednesday, June 10th, 2026. EFRE 2026, the Morse Code, breaking the code of reproductive medicine.